Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Girls Roller Backpack is probably one of the most versatile and practical accessories a young student can own, especially when navigating the daily demands of school, extracurricular activities, and even travel. This innovative backpack combines the convenience of wheels and a retractable handle with the traditional comfort and organization of a backpack, making it an excellent solution for carrying heavy textbooks, laptops, and all the essentials without straining young shoulders. It's designed to lighten the load, literally, offering a fun and functional way for girls to transport their belongings, ensuring they can move from class to class or on adventures with ease and style, making it a must-have item for the modern, active girl. Number 5. Girls' Cute Rolling Backpack with Lunch Bag. Introducing our adorable rolling backpack, designed for your little one. It's the perfect companion for school days and adventures. Crafted from water-resistant nylon with reinforced stitching, this backpack is built to last. Its sturdy metal handle and smooth wheels ensure easy mobility. Designed with comfort in mind, it features padded straps and a breathable back panel. Your child can choose to roll it or wear it, saving their shoulders and back. This backpack offers ample space for all school essentials, including a laptop. Multiple pockets help keep everything organized and easily accessible. Use it with or without the trolley. It's perfect for school, weekend trips, or even as a carry-on for travel. The smooth, quiet wheels make it a breeze to maneuver. If your child carries heavy books daily, this rolling backpack is an excellent choice. It helps relieve pressure on their back, making their journey to school much easier. What we like? This rolling backpack features upgraded, sturdy zippers and water-resistant nylon fabric, perfect for carrying heavy books daily. If your child needs to carry a lot of school supplies and you want to protect their belongings from light rain, this is a great choice. The removable trolley adds extra versatility for different situations. What people say. The backpack is very sturdy and well-made, with durable zippers and reinforced stitching. The wheels are smooth and quiet, making it easy to roll the backpack. The adjustable straps are comfortable and padded, and the backpack has plenty of room for books and supplies. The design of the backpack is very cute and stylish, with a vibrant print that my daughter loves. The backpack also has a lot of pockets and compartments, which makes it easy to organize her belongings. The telescoping handle is sturdy and easy to operate, and it can be adjusted to different heights. This backpack is perfect for school, travel, or everyday use. It is lightweight and easy to carry, and it can hold a lot of items. The backpack is also very durable and well constructed, so it is sure to last for a long time. Number 4. Tilami Rolling Backpack 18-inch Galaxy. Introducing the Tilami Rolling Backpack in a cool galaxy design. It's perfect for school, travel, and everyday adventures. This backpack is designed to be carry-on friendly for most flights. Its dimensions are perfect for taking it with you on the plane, and the wheels come with a cover to keep things clean. With multiple compartments and a large 35-liter capacity, this bag offers ample storage. Keep your belongings sorted and easily accessible with its smart multi-layer design. Designed to reduce back stress, this wheeled bag makes carrying your essentials much easier. It's ideal for school and travel, promoting a more comfortable experience. Enjoy smooth and quiet movement with its flexible wheels, capable of bearing up to 30 pounds. The high-strength aluminum alloy rod ensures durability without wobbling. When you're ready to roll, simply tuck the padded shoulder straps into the concealed pockets. This unique feature makes transitioning from carrying to rolling effortless and convenient. What we like? Designed for travel, this rolling backpack is sized for airplane carry-on and boasts remarkably quiet wheels. If you're looking for a convenient travel companion for your child that minimizes noise and keeps their belongings organized, this is ideal. The unique concealed shoulder strap feature makes transitioning from rolling to carrying seamless. What people say. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly, making it easy for my daughter to carry her books without straining her back. The backpack has multiple compartments, including a padded laptop sleeve, which is great for organizing school supplies. The design is very cute and my daughter loves the vibrant colors. It's also spacious enough to fit all her essentials. Number 3. GXTVO Rolling Backpack 3PCS Mermaid. Introducing the GXTVO 3-in-1 Mermaid Rolling Backpack Set. It includes a backpack, a lunchbox, and a pencil case, perfect for your little one. This magical bag features reversible sequins that change color with a swipe. It's designed with smooth zippers and comfortable, widened shoulder straps for easy wear. The handle extends and retracts smoothly, and the bottom of the backpack can be folded for compact storage. It takes up less space when not in use. This set is perfectly sized for elementary students. The backpack measures 12.5 L x 18H x 6W, the lunchbox is 8.5 L x 9.5H x 4W, and the pencil case is 8.66 L x 4.72W. The eye-catching sequin design on the front pocket can inspire your child's imagination. It's a wonderful choice for school or travel. Keep essentials like snacks and toys within easy reach with the handy front zip pocket. It provides quick access to travel necessities. What we like. This is a fun and practical 3-in-1 set featuring a mermaid design with magic reversible sequins and a foldable bottom for easy storage. If your child loves eye-catching designs and you need a coordinated backpack, lunchbox, and pencil case, this set is perfect. The foldable bottom is a great space-saving feature for smaller spaces. What people say. The backpack is very sturdy and well-made, with durable zippers and reinforced stitching. It has multiple compartments and pockets, making it easy to organize school supplies. The wheels are smooth and quiet, and the retractable handle is easy to use. Number 2. KLFVB Rolling Backpack. Introducing the KLFVB Rolling Backpack, the perfect companion for your child's school adventures. Make carrying books and supplies a breeze with this fun and functional backpack. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, this backpack glides effortlessly across any surface. Say goodbye to heavy lifting and hello to easy transportation. Specially designed for both girls and boys, it offers ample space for all their school essentials. It's the ideal choice for children who need a reliable and stylish school bag. This set includes a matching lunch bag, ensuring your child has everything they need for a full day of school. It's a convenient all-in-one solution for busy parents. Crafted for durability, this wheeled school bag is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. It's a practical and fun way to carry their books and belongings. Make school days more enjoyable with this versatile rolling backpack. It combines style, convenience, and functionality for students of all ages. What we like. Built with durability and comfort in mind, this rolling backpack offers multiple compartments for excellent organization. If you prioritize a backpack that can withstand daily use and keep everything tidy, this is a solid option. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort for students carrying their essentials. What people say. The backpack is very sturdy and well-made, with durable zippers and reinforced stitching. It has multiple compartments and pockets, making it easy to organize school supplies. The wheels are smooth and quiet, and the retractable handle is easy to use. Number 1. Meetbelify Girls Rolling Backpack with Lunchbox. Introducing the Meetbelify Rolling Backpack, a versatile 3-in-1 set designed for elementary students. It's perfect for carrying all your essentials to school and beyond. This backpack offers ample storage with a large main compartment, a dedicated laptop pocket, and 2 front zipper pockets. Plus, 2 mesh side pockets are perfect for water bottles. Navigate your day with ease thanks to its 4 noiseless wheels and durable aluminum alloy rod. It's designed for smooth, anti-wear rolling, making it effortless to transport. Crafted with sparkling glitter sequins and PU material, this backpack is as fashionable as it is functional. The cute 3D ear design adds a playful touch, making it stand out. Whether for school, travel, or outdoor activities, this backpack is suitable for everyone. It's ideal for primary school students and anyone needing to carry laptops and books in style. What we like. This rolling backpack shines with its sparkly sequin material and cute 3D ear details, making it a fashion statement. If your child loves all things glittery and wants a backpack that stands out, this is the one. The noiseless wheels ensure a smooth and quiet journey to school or on trips. What people say. The backpack is very sturdy and well-made, with durable zippers and reinforced stitching. It has multiple compartments and pockets, making it easy to organize school supplies. The wheels are smooth and quiet, and the retractable handle is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.